How to sign up for Walmart affiliate program. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Then navigate to the Spoon website, affiliates.walmart.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find all the features and benefit of affiliate Walmart. You can just go through it. Now, in order to sign up for it, click on the option of sign up given over here. You'll be directed to a new page. You have to fill out this form and complete the process to sign up for Walmart affiliate program. First up, provide your user information: name, last name, email address, username, password. After you provide all these details, click on the option of next. In the next page, you will need to provide information about your company. Then, lastly, you will need to provide information about promotion and media. Once you complete all these steps, you'll be good to go. Your account will be created. So this is how you can easily sign up for Walmart affiliate program. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.